Lawpreneurz.
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 The Lawpreneurz.
Lawpreneurz.
You will get best services here. The faculty is really great.
The best part of Lawpreneurz to me is its accessibility.
The concept in Lawpreneurz is really well explained with proper citations and case laws.
That aims at making each and every law student knowledgeable in the most simplest way.
So Lawpreneurz provides me with good notes, and also the videos are like genuine cake.
I think this is a great tool for you. So you might want to give it a shot and see how it pans out for you.
It has been a good investment.
It's actually very nice because they provide you with good amount of overview where they deal with leading cases, they talk about examples.
Platform which I have used and which is in need of an hour.